Welcome back. So in this module, we are going to speak about the industry-specific SAP courses. So what is industry-specific SAP courses? Why are they so famous? Because this is a set of package, like say for example, if I'm going with one particular industry-specific module as aerospace. So whatever is required for the aerospace industry, SAP has united all the modules and all the functionalities required for the aerospace industry, and they've given that as an industry specific module. So if an aeronautics company wants to implement SAP in their company, in their organization, so they can very well go ahead and implement the SAP IS Aerospace module. So now let us go ahead and see what are the various modules, the industry specific modules that are available with SAP. Now, you cannot really differentiate the modules as an evergreen module and whether you can take it or not, or any kind of such differentiations. But I can really point out which is the most heard modules in the industry. So the first ever module that I have heard most is the industry specific aerospace and defense. Many defense related activities are handled by this particular module, and many countries are using SAP as their trusted partners, because defense informations are very secretive, and if they want to store the defense information in some place, and if that country is preferring SAP as a secure place, and imagine what is the amount of security that SAP is giving to its customer and its data, right? So the most heard module is SAP Industry Specific Aerospace and Defense module. Then the IS Automobile Manufacturing Industry, which is called IS Automobile Manufacturing Industries. So then the next module is SAP IS Chemical Industry, which is specifically designed for the chemical factories or any other oriented fields. Now, the second weightage is given to the healthcare. I've seen much opportunities for the IS hospital and healthcare management, because that is the most heard topic um, ever. So there are some modules like SAP IS Engineering, Construction and Operation, and SAP IS Hospitals and Healthcare Institutions, SAP IS High Tech Industries, SAP IS Media, SAP IS Mining Industry. And in addition to that, the most famous modules are SAP Oil and Gas. So with what I've heard, SAP Oil and Gas has got a very good opportunities in the Middle East countries where the oil resources are more, and even some parts of India are still using SAP IS Oil and Gas. And the next module is IS Retail. So this module is crafted to fit the retail industry. So this has got a huge demand as well. So IS Telecommunication, IS Transportation and Logistics, yeah, holds equal weightage. But I really don't give a suggested take to SAP IS Banking, SAP IS Higher Education and Research, SAP IS Life Sciences, SAP IS Public Sector, SAP IS Pharma. Pharma is of course used, but nowadays we are fading, that popularity is fading off. So I would say, like, when you want to start your career in any industry specific modules, either you will be, first of all, you will be coming to the industry specific modules only if you have a specification which is matching out to this module. So if you don't have a matching specification, I think you have to go with the functional modules or a technical module, right? And if you really have an opportunity that is waiting for you in any one of this module, of course, you can go ahead and take this particular module. And there are other modules, which is SAP Industry Specific High Tech Industry, SAP Industry Specific Professional Services, SAP Industry Specific Consumer Products. Frankly speaking, I have not heard all these modules at all, but SAP has listed them in their website. But I'll repeat again, the most famous modules is SAP IS Aerospace and Defense, SAP IS Automobile Manufacturing, SAP IS Chemical Industry, and SAP IS hospitals and healthcare institutions, SAP IS oil and gas, SAP IS retail, SAP IS telecommunication, and the final thing is SAP IS pharma, but pharma is losing its importance. So now let us go into the recommendations. So as I told you, the industry specific modules are only for the one who has done a special study on this particular related modules. If you have not done anything like that, go ahead, go back to functional modules or the technical module. So the recommended is for the students and professionals with a non-coding background. These are job specific to the industry. Say, as I told you, if you have a relevant degree with you, go with this module. Otherwise, stay out. Because I'm telling you to stay out because there are not much opportunities like how a function module will give you an opportunity. That opportunity will not be there for the industry specific module in all parts of the country or in all parts of the world. So say for example, if you're studying SAP oil and gas, and if you're in US, of course you won't get an opportunity there. So it is location specific and it is your career specific. So choose what you have done and compare that with these modules and take it up if you want. And if you have a specialization in your graduation, that's exactly what I told you. In any one of these modules, you can go ahead with that. The job nature differs from place to place, right? So to conclude, the highest priority is given for the students and professionals from a non-coding background with only a specific or a related degree with these particular modules. I hope your doubts are cleared and I'll see you in the next session.